In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remix a ThingLink interactive image. ThingLink is a really cool website because it allows you to take one picture or a compilation of pictures and make it interactive. You can add links to websites, articles, videos, audio recordings, anything that kind of ties in with the theme of your image. So I chose one on World War II because I'm going to be teaching a World War II unit this year in my class. So I like this one. It has a lot of tags on it, which you can see as you roll over it, and lots of different kinds of pictures. So I'm going to remix this, which means I'm going to add new things to it, kind of make it my own. So I'm going to start by clicking on the remix button here on the side, which opens up the editor. If you've made a ThingLink before, you know that this is just what it looks like when you're making one from scratch. You can see all the ones that they have already on there. So if there's something you want to delete, you can do that. I'm not going to delete anything, but I am going to add a couple videos and a timeline to this image as well. So I have a couple of videos that I want to add. One of them is from Vimeo, and it's about a woman who was a pilot in World War II. So I am going to add this video to my ThingLink. So I'm going to get the link for this video so that I can add it to my ThingLink. So I'm going to add a tag to this image. I'm going to change the color of it so that it's green, and I'm going to put it down here with the other, with the image of women in World War II. So I'm going to add my website there, and I'm going to just give it a brief title. Lillian's Story, a World War II Aviator. And then I'm going to save the tag. So I've added that tag to this ThingLink. Now I have another one. This video is all about Japanese internment camps. So I'm going to get the link for that video, and I'm going to add that. There isn't really a great spot for this, but this is related to Pearl Harbor. So I think I'm going to add it to this. So I'm going to double click. I've got my green circle, which is fine. I'm going to add the link. And I'm going to give it a short title. I think I'm going to name it the same thing that it's called. Relocation Camps, Japanese Internment. Then I'm going to save the tag. And finally, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add this timeline of the war from the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum. So I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to add this to this picture of the four main leaders. So World War II timeline, save tag. So now when I'm done, I will click Save Image, and now I have remixed this ThingLink, so my links are just as active as the original links. And that's how you remix a ThingLink interactive image.